Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, June 27 to 29, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have a new low pressure system which developed during the past 48 hours and is now emerging over the western coast of Luzon, very close to the western sections of Bataan, and it is likely to move slowly towards the north, and it's likely the center or the cloudless center of this LPA will conform to the west of Ilocos region within the next 12 to 24 hours. And as you will see later, we're going to show you the cloudiness generated by this LPA starting to conform to the west of northern Luzon in a short while. So the rain bands, together with its trough located along its periphery, will bring scattered to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms across Mimaropa, Luzon, and Visayas, including Sulu Archipelago. And outside of PAR, we don't have any other LPAs forming. We just have here a couple of surface troughs, but we are going to observe this cloudiness to the east of the low pressure system for possible another development of another system. So this LPA is likely to develop into a tropical cyclone that will become a tropical depression, the lowest classification of a tropical cyclone, within the next 24 to 72 hours. Most likely by Wednesday, we will be having a tropical cyclone very close to the Philippine area of responsibility, likely to exit PAR on Thursday. But the presence of this LPA will bring occasional monsoon rains across western Philippines because of the enhancement of the Southwest Monsoon or Habagat. So again, take necessary precautions against flooding and landslides over these affected areas of the Philippine Islands because of this LPA and its associated trough and the rain bands. As you can see, as of 2 p.m., it was estimated some 151 kilometers west of Manila at 14.4, 119.6 latitude and longitude. And this system, the location or the possible center is not yet at high probability because along this broad LPA there are some small vortices, circulating within this broad area of this LPA. So likely this center will be relocated within the next 24 hours as the new center emerges more clearly while over the West Philippine Sea. And here's the fast animation. As you can see, the LPA is somewhere here, but there might be a new relocations somewhere here along the west coast of Ilocos. Okay, so the current center is somewhere here, but there might be a formation here. Okay, so watch out for that. We are going to show to you in the next couple of days, particularly on our next video analysis. Just remember that if this low pressure system becomes a tropical cyclone, we are going to give you a spatial coverage as early as possible once this system develops into a tropical cyclone. Here's the zoom in satellite animation beginning at 1 p.m. up to this time, which is already past 6. And as you can see, as the animation moves into 6 p.m., there might be a new center forming here along the west coast of Pangasinan as it exits the Pangasinan area. By the way, the location of the JTWC and the NOAA of US is, the LPA is somewhere here at 2 p.m., but our location is here. So there are many vortices over that area of this broad LPA, but it looks likely that the new center might reform somewhere here, over the West Philippine Sea. So we will be able to confirm that in the next couple of days once the system reforms over the West Philippine Sea. But due to land interaction, the circulation is becoming more disorganized as of now. So we will wait and see. And here's the rain forecast for the next 3 days through Thursday. So for the next 3 days, we expect more rainfall occasionally and scattered across the various sections of the country, particularly Luzon and Mimaropa, and Western Visayas as well, including the Bicol region. So tomorrow afternoon, there will be some showers and thunderstorms as well. Wednesday afternoon, still same situation, but more rainfall now over northern, central, and southern Luzon, excluding the Bicol region, and also Palawan and Mindoro. And on Thursday, the Southwest Monsoon will start to kick in, giving some more thunderstorms across the country, particularly Western Visayas, Mimaropa, and Western Luzon, as yet another LPA is trying to form here to the east of extreme northern Luzon. So there will be not only one but two tropical cyclones that may develop in a span of 5 to 7 days. So we will keep you updated on that. And here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. So all over the Philippines, there will be more rainfall in store. So expect that, particularly over the areas of the LPA. And here over the various sections of Luzon, Visayas, and Mimaropa, there will be more thunderstorms generated by this weather system. Now, let's take a look at the windy.com pressure and wind forecast, courtesy of the European model. Let's take a look now on the development of this LPA. So tonight, the LPA will reform over the west of Ilocos region. By tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, it will still be there, quasi-stationary, near the Philippine area of responsibility, about to exit, okay? And on Wednesday afternoon, it will become a tropical depression within the Philippine area of responsibility, and it's quasi-stationary. And on Thursday, the tropical depression will strengthen into a tropical storm, exceeding the Philippine area of responsibility as another one here develops. So it's likely to become a tropical depression as well on Thursday or Friday. And as you can see here, the Southwest Monsoon will start to intensify because of these two tropical cyclones that will be developing on Thursday. And on Friday afternoon, the tropical storm outside of Par is now approaching southern China, while the other one, developing into a tropical depression, is now to the east-northeast of Batanes, moving towards the southern islands of Japan. So this will track towards this direction, while this one will track towards southern China over over western Guangdong. And if we take a look on Saturday, there you go, approaching Hainan and southern China, the tropical storm outside of Par, and the other one exiting the Philippine area of responsibility towards Okinawa and the Ryukyu group of islands. So the good news, it will move out of the Philippine area of responsibility, the other one, on Saturday, July 2, and on Sunday, July 3. All of these two tropical cyclones will be outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, but expect the Southwest Monsoon or Habagat to affect the western portions of Luzon, particularly over Ilocos region, and western sections of Central Luzon, especially Zambales and western Pangasinan. So Metro Manila will also be affected, but not much. There will be some rains and thunderstorms as well. So expect that situation for the next 7 days, for 1 week. And there you go. That's the latest for this Monday. And we will return on Wednesday. But if the tropical cyclone or the low pressure system develop into a tropical depression, we will be issuing updates tomorrow as early as Tuesday, or if not, by Wednesday or Thursday. Again, this is Mike Padua reporting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. Typhoon.tv. Click on the like button and subscribe to our notification bell, and subscribe to our channel as well for you to be informed for the latest updates on tropical cyclones. See you again, and have a great evening.